welcome sa vlog mga sir. So, first of all, I want to say thank you sa last vlog natin, sa mga inquiries at saka sa mga feedback nyo. Letting me know na napakaganda ng mga ganong format ng pag-vlog natin, showcasing yung mga rifle builds natin sa mga customers. So with that said mga sir, I wanted to show you the CXP, the ICS CXP APE Special Edition. So this was my first successful airsoft build pagdating sa mga high-end parts natin, i.e. high-end gears, helical, gate titan, gate products, Jeftron or brushless motors mga sir, no? Yung mga high-speed na brushless motors natin. This was it. This is what started yung quest ko to be better at modifying airsoft units dahil dito mga sir. So again, so many memories dito sa units na to. This was my personal unit. However, tinransfer ko muna yung laman niya sa ibang units ko. And I'm I'm thinking about rebuilding this very soon with a different colorway at saka cleaning it up kasi nga madami na siyang gasgas. It's been through hell with me. Nanalo din to ng gun show. It's yun pa. Gun show winner siya ng isang event, and then nandito lang siya, nakatago lang, or inaalikabok siya. So with that said mga sir, that brings us to our rifle featured for today. This is owned by a good friend of mine. Again, sila yung may-ari ng Amsland Airsoft and Resort, kay paring Sean Lagman. Ito na brother, yung unit mo. Ayan. So, this is a CXP ICS APE split gearbox special edition din mga sir, in black colorway. Also, meron din tayong, mamaya we'll talk a little bit about this one too. It's the same unit. Ito, built for 450 assault rifle din. We'll touch on that mamaya. However, let's look at ito muna, itong rifle na to. So, what is an SPR build mga sir? Para sa akin ha, it's in between sa assault rifle natin, SPR, and then DMR, a full-blown DMR. Okay, ang SPR kasi special purpose rifle, meaning it shoots the same caliber pero with the more precise tuning sa kanya mga sir. So what do I mean by that? Eto mga sir, I have reworked tried so much combination when it comes to air volume ng cylinder natin, sa haba ng inner barrel length natin, different combinations of hop-up rubber. Ang purpose ko kasi dito mga sir, for it to shoot, if not to reach yung mga DMR level na engagements natin, but using a lower FPS limit at saka lower weight PV. So with that, napakadaming work ang kailangan mong gawin in order for you to reach that, no? So yung mga tolerance nito kailangan talaga saktong-sakto. So if you want me to go in depth dun sa accuracy at saka range modification ng isang unit, I will in the future videos, coming videos. So ayun, with that said, let's try it. Oo nga pala, modifications nito, Knight's Armament suppressor, of course, very bright Skywoods lights, tapos Strike Industry na band. We have a foregrip na Strike Industries din. Tapos meron tayong rail cover para sa handle natin when we're holding it like that. Tapos PTS na magazine, PTS na pistol grip. Internally naka-gate titan, naka-brushless motor, naka-gears, compression set, all the way tappet plate, retro arms. Ayan, so ganap na ganap yung itong unit na to. Ayan, also dahil SPR siya, I made it to a point na kailangan ko siyang mas patahimikin yung palo ng ng piston body sa sa cylinder head. Kailangan ko siyang patahimikin, so that's what we did. So with that said, test fire na tayo like we normally do. Trigger response muna. Yan. Sarap. Alright, full auto. So it's not as fast mga sir. Being an SPR rifle, I did not want to have it shooting 30 plus or 28, 29. Kasi nga, SPR siya, and having 500 FPS dito mga sir, I think it's more than enough to have 25, 26, no? However, we will not play with this on full auto. We will always play with it sa binary, semi and binary kasi nga medyo hot yung FPS. So full auto. For the sake of this video, full auto natin. So nice. Alright, it's not that fast. Hindi, nothing special. With that said, let's go. Shooting test. Here we go. Lalayo ko ng konti mga sir kasi medyo mahangin na. And SPR build, 500 FPS. This is too easy para sa unit na to actually. Yung ito distance, napakalapit, napakaliit. So semi muna tayo. Test fire, first shot. Miss. Okay, yung hangin papunta sa left, so we'll lead on the right. Here we go, let's go. Yun. Hello, Mentes. So yung mga ganitong shots sa SPR natin, yung double tap natin, try natin. Yun yung hinahanap natin, yung mga double tap. Pa. Pakalakas ng hangin. Again, chamber to ng .30 no, nothing special, nothing heavy. Kaya medyo affected tayo ng malakas na hangin na to. Isa pa. Okay, full auto mga sir, this is where it shines. So kung kailangan mo talaga i-full auto yung kalaban, at 500 FPS I think this thing shines sa full auto. I want all the BBs to be on that target. Here we go. Yup, easy. So move on tayo dun sa box na ginawa ko dun para hindi tumatalbog yung BB, and I wanna see kung kaya niyang ubusin yung 200 rounds. So siguro nasa mga 130 na lang ngayon, all the way down to the magazine. So sa ganitong rough, it should be no problem. Magazine na to mga sir, Lonex lang, so very basic. I think 750 or 800 pesos per piece. So mid cap basic magazine. Let's go. Yup. Kaya niya mga sir. So, tapon muna natin to. I'll show. Bam. Kubos. Alright. So, the SPR. Okay, let's talk about this one mga sir. Yun yung build natin. And this is an assault. Same rifle, same units. ICS. Assault build. Ito, tayo natin yung slightly faster, but this is an assault rifle. This is an assault build. And master announcement, this is for sale. Okay, for sale to. This is owned by a good friend of mine, si Doc Pidongs. For sale to, so if you're interested mga sir, PM me para dito sa unit na to. Beasley Airsoft PH or Beasley Airsoft Mods. Also, for our next vlog mga sir, pahapyaw. This is a full-blown assault rifle. This is a BFC machete PDW mga sir. Yan. Diba? Alright. Anyways, with that said mga sir, maraming salamat po. See you sa mga susunod na vlogs. Bye. Night was cold, can't deny. Better find a place to hide.